हेलो गाइस। इस वीडियो सीरीज में हम बात करेंगे बिट मैनिपुलेशन की। ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट और इजी कॉन्सेप्ट है। बहुत ही छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट है जो कि जनरली यूज होता है कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग में भी और इंटरव्यू में भी काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं जो बिट मैनिपुलेशन पे बेस्ड होते हैं। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट लेक्चर ऑफ बिट मैनिपुलेशन विच इज टोटली बेस्ड ऑन थ्योरी। सो लेट्स मूव। फर्स्ट, बाइनरी रिप्रेजेंटेशन। This is the decimal number and its binary representation is this 10111 base 2 binary में 2. If you want to convert binary number to decimal, this is the process. You will start from the rightmost bit which is 1 into base power 0. If you move to the left, you simply increase the power by 1. See here, 1 into 2 to the power 0 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2, 0 into 2 to the power 3 and 1 into 2 to the power 4. This will give you the 16, 0, 4, 2 and 1. Again, you will get the answer. Now come to the next example, 14. See this, you can do it by yourself. This is easy. So move bitwise operator. There are 6 operators which use we use. First one is not, and, or, XOR, left shift and right shift. First, see one by one. Not. It is a unary operator. Unary means you can use this operator only with one operand. See 6110. This is the operand and this is the operator. Here I am considering only 3 bits. So not basically does only flip the bits. If there is 0, it will give you the 1, 1 to 0 and 1 to 0. This will give you the value 1. But if you code it in your compiler, this will not give you the 1. This will give you the larger value. Why? Because your compiler generally works on 32-bit or 64-bit number. So all numbers from here to left all are 0. तो ये सारे 0 को 1 कर देगा। अगर ये सारे 0 को 1 करेगा तो ये बहुत ही बड़ी वैल्यू देगा। सो इसको बहुत ही केयरफुली यूज करते हैं। Come to the next one, and it is a binary operator. So you need 2 operands. One and only gives you the 1 when both operand is 1. See here, 1 and 1 gives you the 1, rest all 0. 1 and 0 is equal to 0, 0 and 1 is equal to 0, 0 and 0 is equal to 0. Next, or it is a binary operator. Again you need 2 operands. This will give you the 0 only when both operand is 0. अगर याद करना है तो बहुत ही सिंपल है. This O is also similar to 0, 0, 0, 0. All are 0, then this will give you the 0. Again it's a simple, याद करने की कोई खास जरूरत नहीं है. 1 और 1 is equal to 1, 1 और 0 is equal to 1, 0 और 1 is equal to 1 and 0 और 0 is equal to 0. Come to the most interesting operator, which is XOR. It is a binary operator. Okay. Again, you need to operand. See, XOR gives you the 1 when both operand is different. See here, 1 XOR 0 is equal to 1, and 0 XOR 1 is equal to 0. 0 XOR 0 is equal to 0, where 1 XOR 1 is equal to 0. सो XOR बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है और इस पे बेस्ड बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग में बात करें या इंटरव्यू में. सो आई एम नॉट एंडिंग विद XOR. I will give you more properties on XOR later, and we will also do some good questions on XOR. So stay tuned. Now come to the left shift and right shift. 5 binary representation 101. Here I am considering 8 bit. Okay. When you shift any number by 1, suppose this is the left shift by 1, this will give you the 10. How it shifted? Simple, you shift every bit to its left. 0 go here, which will discard it. This 0 here, this 0 here, this 0 here, and this 1 come to here, and this 0 come to here, and this 1 come to here. So जो place खाली बचेगा उसको 0 से fill कर देंगे. So this will give you the 1010. This is 10. We can also say आप इस नंबर को अगर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो भी यही नंबर बनेगा. So basically left shift is also a multiplication by 2. Okay. Now come to the right shift. If we see this one is right shifted by 1. 1 go here, this will discard, and this 0 come here, and this 1 come here. This will give you the value 2. Okay. Again here we are multiplying, or here we are dividing by 2. This is an integer division because 1 divided by 2, then we get in integer 2. Otherwise we will get 2.5. So this is the basic operators on left shift, right shift, many more operators. आगे हम लोग एक एक ऑपरेटर को लेकर उस पे अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. अब तक के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.